Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Word Chapter 1 Simulation Training Hand on Exercise 2. So, open the Word Chapter 1 Simulation Training. So, if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So what chapter 1 simulation training hand on exercise 2, click the launch. So open the one chapter 1. So total question is 5 and we move to the question number 1. Apply the Brilliant theme to documents. So go to the design tabs and go to the theme groups and click the Brilliant. So select the Brilliant, click OK, and next is change the theme color to violet. So click the theme color to violet, click OK, and next is change the font theme to Candera. So change the font theme to Candera. Candera and press enter. So change the font theme. So font theme to Candera. Click OK. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is insertion continuous section break at the blank paragraph located just above the experience heading. So select the headings and insert the continuous section break at the blank paragraph located the experience. So select the blank paragraph and go to the layout tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the continuous, and next is in the page setup groups click the column and select the two column and insert the column break before the Dayton Holdings Corporations and the year of the, and next is Dayton Holding Corporations and insert the column breaks and click the column breaks. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is insert a sample 1 watermarks. So go to the design tabs and go to the page background groups and insert the sample 1 watermarks. Insert the sample 1 watermarks and customize watermark color of the lavender essence ones darker 25% and click next is custom watermarks and next is color is lavender essence 1 darker 25%, lavender essence 1 lavender essence 1 darker and 25%, darker 25% and click OK. And next is add the page border to the documents using the box setting. Format the border using the default single lines style and the color of lavender SN1 darker 25%. The line weight is 1 over 2 point. So add the page border of the documents. Add the Click the page borders and page border to the documents and select the box setting and format the borders using the default and single line first one lines and color is lavender SN1 darker 25%. Color is lavender SN1 darker 50%. Click OK and the line weight is 1/2 pt and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is apply the heading 1 style to the experience paragraph near the top of page. To click anywhere to deselect the select text. Apply the heading 1 style to experience paragraph. Apply the heading 1 style experience paragraph the top of page 2. Page 2 and click the anywhere and deselect the text and apply the heading 1 cell styles and deselect the text. Open the style pane and modify the heading 1 style to include the bold formatting and font of 12 pt and Times New Roman. So open the style name, open the style panes and modify the heading 1 styles. So open the styles pane and select the and right clicks and click the modify including the bold formatting. So select the bold formatting and font is to 12 and Times New Roman. Next is Times New Roman and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is create the view to display the multiple page on the screen. So go to the view tabs and go to the zoom groups and click the multiple page on the screen. On the view tab in the zoom group and click the 100% and next is position the insertion point education on a page 2 and insert the page breaks. So go to the layout tabs. So question number 5 is position the insertion point before the education heading and insert the page break. So go to the insert tabs and click the page break. So question number 5 is complete. So assignment is done. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK and you can see the score is Word chapter 1 simulation training hand-on exercise 2 current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment.